Hi. Let's learn about centrally planned economies. A centrally planned economy, also known as a command economy, is where a government body makes decisions about the production and distribution of goods. This is different from a market economy, where these decisions are the result of many choices by producers and consumers. In a centrally planned economy, the production of goods and services is often done by state-owned enterprises, and prices, wages, and production schedules are typically set by a centralized bureaucracy. Central planning is often associated with Marxist-Leninist governments such as the Soviet Union, North Korea, and East Germany. And after World War II, many socialist countries chose to adopt economic planning to focus resources on government priorities and eliminate capitalist modes of production. Other countries might also use elements of economic planning in times of war or national emergency, like implementing rationing systems to prevent shortages and control prices of essential goods. Advocates of central planning believe that the government can direct economic investment more efficiently than private actors, especially towards social goals with lower potential for profits. However, central planning typically requires a highly educated technical bureaucracy, which creates a paradox for socialist countries as bureaucrats may take the role of a de facto ruling class. Central planning is subject to heavy criticism, especially from scholars in the Austrian School of Economics. One major critique is that central planners cannot efficiently respond to supply and demand because there are no price signals in a planned economy, so there may be unnecessary shortages or surpluses of certain goods. Another critique is that command economies may be less efficient due to the lack of competitive pressures. Central planning is typically associated with the formerly communist countries of Eastern Europe and the Soviet Union, as well as the contemporary governments of Cuba, China, and parts of Asia. While most planned economies have shifted to free market systems, China, Cuba, Vietnam, and Laos still maintain a strong degree of economic planning. Most planned economies have since given way to free market systems, and today, only North Korea can be accurately described as a command economy, although it also has a small degree of underground market activity. In a planned economy, important economic decisions are made through a combination of political or administrative bodies, with local administrators communicating their capacity and needs to central authorities. This information is then used to create a nationwide economic plan, which may go through several rounds of revision before being submitted to the government or legislature. Here are two key takeaways. 1. In a centrally planned economy, major economic decisions are made by a central authority such as the government. 2. Central planning allows the government to marshal society's resources for goals that might not be achieved by market forces alone. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.